Here are Harley's cute little girls. We have 4 darlings here. They are just gorgeous. Yellow here, Marianne, she is the tiny. She is just getting really sweet. Look at that sweet little face. She's a beautiful apricot. She's going to have a curly coat. Her coat is just coming in beautifully. And she is just tiny. She is going to be probably under 20 pounds. She's just so sweet and petite. Sweet little Marianne. Then we have Mickey here, light pink girl. She is a beautiful red. She also has a curly coat. She is so pretty. She is solid red. Has just cute, sweet little personality. Then we have Darla here. She is bigger and she is very dark red. Oh, she's so sweet. Sweet girl. She is just beautiful. She's got a dark red coat. This is Darla. Then we have Sparky here. She's the dark pink girl. And she's a beautiful apricot, and she's got a little less curl in her coat. She's got some really fun white, kind of some salt and pepper whitish coming in here, and around her eyes you can see she's got some really fun coloring. Cute little Sparky. These are our 4 girls from Harley's litter. So sweet. They are 3 weeks old. Here are Harley's boys. She has 3 little darling boys here. They are so beautiful. We've got Waldo here. He's got some gorgeous markings. All 4 white paws, a beautiful white chest. He is a dark red and he is pretty small. He's gonna be on the smaller end of a mini. Then we have Alfalfa, and he is rather large. He's got some really beautiful markings. A big white blaze up his nose. All 4 paws are white. He's got a beautiful white chest. He will probably be on that 30 to 35 pound mark. Mr. Alfalfa. Then we have Froggy here. He is a dark red, curly coat. Just gorgeous. He is medium size here. These are our 3 boys from Harley's litter, 3 weeks old.